What is mutation? To put it simply, mutation refers to changes in the genetic message carried by a gene, which alters the protein formed. Mutations can occur when there's an error during replication, or when a person is exposed to a certain environmental factors or even chemical carcinogens. Mutations can bring about serious health conditions such as cancer. Cancer is the disease that is caused by mutations that result in uncontrolled cell growth in our body. And today, the main focus of the video will be the formation of cancer. So here we have John. He's an ordinary guy. And just like every other cell in his body, this cell has DNA. There's a particular nucleotide sequence called proto-oncogene, which codes for proteins that promote cell growth and division. However, the proto-oncogene can undergo gain-of-function mutation to become oncogene. This gene codes for hyperactive proteins that result in excessive cell growth and division. Well, if this sounds bad to you, it gets worse. Now, moving down John's DNA in the same cell, there's the gene called tumor suppressor gene. This gene codes for proteins that has a few important functions. The first function is the cell cycle arrest. The second function is DNA repair. The third function is apoptosis. It removes the cell that is beyond repair by initiating programmed cell death. Tumor suppressor gene undergoes loss of function mutation, so none of these proteins are expressed. Another prominent feature of a cancer cell is its immortality, and this is achieved through the activation of telomerase gene. You see, at the end of a linear chromosome, there are protective caps called telomeres. In a normal cell, telomeres will shorten after each round of replication, so this means there's a limit to how much a cell can divide. But the activation of a telomerase gene codes for an enzyme called telomerase, which helps to lengthen the telomeres. Telomeres will never shorten. Just like normal cells, cancer cells also depend on the supply of oxygen and nutrients. This is why cancer cells activate genes involved in angiogenesis, which basically means formation of blood vessels. When the proteins encoded by the genes are formed, blood vessels form and it will penetrate into the cancerous growth. After this process, the cancer cells can detach from its original tumor and move into bloodstreams and lymphatic systems to form secondary tumors through a process called metastasis. And there you have it, the formation of cancer. Hope you have learned a thing or two about the development of cancer. Thank you.